All right, kia ora, room one. Right, now, this morning I was in Breakfast Club and there is a lot of maths that go into Breakfast Club. So, in order to help me for next week, I thought you could help me with some of the calculations. So, um, to start off with, I had 4 plates. I had 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 rows of 4 plates. I had them set up on the bench. I'm going to put a photo up of that, but I've just drawn a picture too. And in each plate, I put two wheat bix. So, how many wheat bix did I have all together? Okay, I'll let you figure that one out. So, firstly, can you help me figure out how many wheat bix? So, I had 3 rows. I had 3 rows of 4 wheat bix. So how much is that? But then what happened is, now I had 4 more people come in. So 4 more people came in. So how many more wheat bix did I have to have? So, okay, so I had those set up. And then, so that's 3 rows of 4. And then another 4 people come in. So how many more wheat bix? So add 4 more people. So remember, each person has 2 wheat bix. Okay, so add 4 more people. And how many wheat bix did I serve all together? All right, so when you do your working, can you write out everything in your maths book, like draw a picture and also draw out how you figured it out? If you so remember, 4 more people ate 2 2 wheat bix each. So how many wheat bix did I need all together? Okay, so I'm just going to write that. Hang on, just look at that picture. How many wheat bix did I serve? Okay, so there's that question there. All right, but wait, there is more, because there was lots of maths going on in Breakfast Club. Right, now, this is a box of wheat bix, a really badly drawn box of wheat bix, by the way. Now, I checked. Now, each wheat bix packet has 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each row, there were 12 wheat bix. Okay, so based on that picture there, so there's 2 questions there. So with your answer that you got here, how much of the wheat bix box did people eat yesterday in Breakfast Club? All right, so you'll have to figure that out from your calculations. Like, did they eat half the box, which would be 2 rows? Or did they eat 3/4 of the box, which would have been 3 rows? I don't know. You'll have to come up with those calculations from the other page. And another one I need you to figure out is, just look at that picture for now while I write it in. So how many wheat bix are in one box? Okay. So how many wheat bix are in one box? All right. So you've got 4 rows and each row has got 12 in them. All right, I didn't draw in all the 12, but you know that all of them have 12. So there's 12, 12, 12, 12. All right, so how many wheat bix are in one box and how much of the box did the people eat yesterday? Okay, all right. And here's your third and last question, because this is the one that got me. Oh, because everyone wants toast. So, what I found is we've got 2 toasters, 1, 2, and the toasters both do 4 toasts each, so that's 8 toast all up, and it took about an hour, 1 minute and a half, 1.5 minutes to make 8 toast. So, how long does it take to make 32 toast? All right, so it took me 1.5 minutes to make 8 toast. how long would it take for me to make 32 toasts? All right, so there's a clue there with the 8 and the 32. They are common. There's some number that they have in common there. I'm going to give you a hint and say, think about your times tables. Which times tables are you going to look at? So that's a clue there, 8 and 32. All right? Okay, so good luck with that, my darlings. It's quite a bit of work for you to do, but I'm sure you can do it.